आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The given question is to show that P and Q or complement P or whole bracket P and complement Q is a tautology. So you have to prove that this statement here is a tautology. Tautology means all the results should be true, right? So let us see how many possible outcomes are there first. So in a truth table, either we have a false or either we have a true, right? And here we also have two variables P and Q, right? So the total number of outcomes should be 2 power 2, which is 4. So let us now see the possible outcomes, that P for P and Q. Okay, that should be either both should be true, then the second one, the P is true and the Q is false, and next one, P is false and Q is true, and the last one is both are false. So these four are our possible outcomes here. Now we have to find that complement of P and complement of Q. This here is called complement or negotiation. This means you have to write the opposite of that given. Okay, so here is P is true, so the opposite of true is false. The opposite of true is false. The opposite of false is true. True. Similarly, write down the complement Q. False, true, false, true. Now we have to find P and Q. The symbol here represents and. That means if both is true, then the answer is true, otherwise it will be false, right? Look at P, Q. Okay, the first one is both true, so it is true. Okay, only one is true, so it is false, false, false. Now we have to calculate P and complement Q. So see here the column of P and complement Q. True and false is false, true and true is true, false and false is false, again false. Now we have to find P and Q or complement P. So this or here means that one should be true or both should be true. So the answer is true, otherwise it will be false. Now look at this and this. False and true. Okay, one is true, so true. Both are false, false. Okay, one is true, so true. One is true, so true. Now we have to write down the final statement given, which is P and Q or complement P or whole bracket P and complement Q. Now look at these two columns. False, true, one is true, so true, one is true, so true, one is true, so true, and one is true, so true. Now if we look at the results, so all is true, so it's a tautology. So we prove that this statement is tautology.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।